Paul with a second and third. Third on points is Hash Brown with a second and third. So they are looking to replicate that again. But anything can happen. We still have a couple of fourths awarded there. Productive Chimp has a pathway, as does Crypto for sure. Let's see how it plays out. Pilots Armor Quads, live on the Tone, Lesson 5. Go Tone, we are through and underway. No guarantees in drone racing.
Guarantee you fun, Joe.
That's right. Once again, watching BMS Paul and Hash Brown trading places here, second and third. BMS Paul was in second, Hash Brown was in third. They traded places. Hash Brown now in second. BMS Paul now dropping a few pegs back. As we got an opening lap here for Granger. He's your leader here after one. Then Hash Brown still in second. Productive Chimp up into third. Then Crypto, then awaiting BMS Paul here to get onto this next lap. So it looks like he may be using that AAA main to scrub of whatever this finish is. So you can't count it out yet. It comes down to the math and science. And right now, a game changer here for Hash Brown. Looks like he's in fine form here. He's got about well, he had a 2-second lead over the rest of the field, but now he has spread that gap way wide. Hash Brown is about 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm losing count. He is way out in front, which will give him a lock. And then it comes down to the map. Granger getting 3 laps done in 88.8. And that just takes the 10 points away from the rest of the field to help them with the gap separation. An extra pack on the track, and Hash Brown through the start-finish gates.